Are you unhappy at work because of your boss? I'm Addison, and here is your personal affirmation session to elevate your mood and increase your patience. These historic quotes are 18 quick affirmations to amplify your confidence and communication skills while restoring your balance and harmony in your spirit. Breathe deeply and stay until quote number 1. It's one of my personal favorites. Ready? Let's go. Number 18. People who have no faults are terrible, there is no way to take advantage of them. Anatole France. 17. The average dog is a nicer person than the average person. Andrew A. Rumi. 16. Willingness to change is strength, even if it means plunging part of the company into total confusion for a while. Jack Welch. The simple act of paying positive attention to people has a great deal to do with productivity. Thomas Peters. Organization can never be a substitute for initiative and for judgment. Louis D. Brandeis. The human brain is a most unusual instrument of elegant and as yet unknown capacity. Stuart Seaton. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. African proverb. God is like the sun at high noon, always giving all he has. Arthur John Gossett. To err is human, to forgive infrequent. Franklin P. Adams. I could not tread these perilous paths in safety if I did not keep a saving sense of humor. Horatio Nelson. True science teaches, above all, to doubt and to be ignorant. Miguel de Unamuno. Recommend to your children virtue that alone can make them happy, not gold. Ludwig van Beethoven. Your work is first, learning is first, winning is everything but chaos, without it there is nothing. Orson Scott Card. Above all, be true to yourself, and if you cannot put your heart in it, take yourself out of it. Hardy D. Jackson. It is one of my sources of happiness never to desire and knowledge of other people's business. Dolly Madison. A woman is like a tea bag, you can't tell how strong she is until you put her in hot water. Nancy Reagan. Faith is reason grown courageous. Sherwood Eddy. Happiness is neither virtue nor pleasure nor this thing nor that, but simply growth. We are happy when we are growing. William Butler Yeats. I'm just curious, do you like the law of attraction? We're giving away copies of our Dream Life Manifestation program to new followers as a thank you. If I gave you the link, would you check the program out? Be sure to check out the first link in the description. If you would tap the like button, it would make my day. Which affirmation was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe to this amazing playlist of my Law of Attraction secrets, and I'll see you in the next session. Have an amazing day.